The cycle time histogram is a powerful visualization that helps you understand how long it takes for work items to move through your workflow. This tutorial will guide you through reading the chart, using its controls, and interpreting the results to improve your team's performance. Cycle time is the total time it takes for a work item to travel through your workflow, or a specific portion, depending on your configuration. A histogram is a bar chart that displays the distribution of cycle times across your completed work items. It shows how frequently each cycle time occurs. The horizontal axis or x-axis represents the cycle time, typically in days, and the vertical axis or y-axis shows the frequency, that is, the number of items that had that particular cycle time. So if the bar for 2 days is the tallest, it means more items were completed in 2 days than any other duration. To gain more insights into what information each bar represents, you can hover your mouse over any of the bars and a window will pop up showing the exact number of items, frequency, that had that cycle time. Some key chart controls include the return of the percentile lines, which help you quickly see how your work items are distributed. This will provide you with key insights, such as 85% of items finished in 16 days or less. Enable the percentile option to display the percentiles you want to see. Just like in the cycle time scatter plot, percentiles help you set realistic expectations and service level agreements. The blocked items control allows you to visualize your cycle time without time spent blocked, so you can see the impact of blocks on overall delivery. Leverage the insights provided by this chart to drive process improvements and reduce delivery delays. You can change the cursor to highlight cycle time and frequency. This can aid you in to spot unusually long or short cycle times, especially if you have a dense dataset, and investigate the underlying causes. You can use the item filter to focus on specific subsets of your data by applying filters to show only items that match certain criteria, for example, by type, team, or label. Click the Reset button to clear all filters and view the full dataset again. The cycle time histogram is a smaller chart that complements other charts by highlighting your cycle time by frequency. To make the most of it, make it a habit to check your histogram after each sprint or release, to identify trends, investigate outliers and opportunities to reduce cycle time. Drill down into specific types of work or teams to uncover bottlenecks. By mastering the cycle time histogram, you'll gain valuable insights into your team's workflow efficiency and be better equipped to drive continuous improvement. We hope you feel more confident in using the cycle time histogram. Please feel free to reach out to us via our support portal or by email at support@55degrees.se.